Put 4 eggs in a bowl and add 2 pinches of salt. Mix well. Heat a pan with 1 tablespoon of oil. Pour in the egg mixture and make scrambled eggs. Once done, place them in a plate to cool. Use a half a can of spam. Slice it into pieces that are not too thick. Then dice into small cubes. Put the sliced spam into preheated pan and cook over medium-high heat for a few minutes. Since spam releases oil while cooking, wipe off the excess oil with a paper towel. When the spam is nicely cooked, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of water. Cook until the liquid reduces and the spam is glazed. Place it in a plate to cool. Place 2 bowls of rice in a large bowl and add the scrambled eggs, spam, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and half tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix everything well. Since the spam is already seasoned, you don't need to add any extra seasoning to the rice. Take a suitable amount of the rice mixture in your hand and shape it into round rice ball. You can eat them as they are, or mix in some finely chopped or crushed roasted king for added flavor. Either way, they will taste great. Firmly press the rice balls with your hands to ensure they hold together well. Delicious spam egg rice ball is done!